Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use price lists for items in Zoho Books. This feature is incredibly useful if you're managing different pricing tiers for various customers or vendors, allowing you to automate pricing adjustments across your inventory without manually updating each item. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to zoho.com/books. Once you're there, log into your Zoho Books account using your username and password. This will bring you directly to your Zoho Books dashboard where you can access all your financial tools and settings. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. This settings menu is where you can customize various features and functionalities within Zoho Books to match your business needs. Once you're in the settings menu, locate the search bar, type in price list, and click on the result that appears. This search function saves you time by letting you jump directly to specific features instead of scrolling through multiple settings pages. You'll now be directed to the item's customization settings. Under the General tab, scroll down until you find the option labeled Price Lists. Click the toggle button next to it to enable the price list feature, then click Save. Enabling this feature unlocks the ability to create and manage multiple pricing structures for your items. Now head back to your Zoho Books dashboard. On the left side panel, locate the Items menu and click on it. An expanded menu will appear, and you'll notice a newly added option named Price List. Click on it to access your price list management area. From the Price List menu, click on Create Price List located in the middle of your screen. This is where you'll set up your first customized pricing structure. You'll now be on the new price list creation page. Start by entering a name for your price list that clearly identifies its purpose. Next, choose the transaction type, whether sales or purchase, depending on how you'll use this list. Select the price list type by clicking the toggle button between all items and individual items. Enter a description for your price list to provide additional context. For the percentage section, click the drop-down option to select between markup or markdown, then enter your desired percentage. This determines whether you're increasing or decreasing prices from your base rate. You also have the option to round off prices. Click the drop-down button in that field to see all available rounding options. Once you've filled in all the details and reviewed everything, click Save. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.